add the countdown timer on your notification bar of your Squarespace website, and just make sure to follow this tutorial and I'll show you how. Okay, you want to go to this website here called AppYeps.io, and you're gonna just log in, and or if you're just new, just create a new account. And now after, you want to go to campaign, click new campaign, and you want to go to announcement, no, countdown here, and that's the preview of the campaign. Now you can customize the text. I want to write down new year flash sales. Decide on the end day, so my end on this day. You can change the hour as well, and I'm going to write down the link that I want it to redirect to, /templates. Customize the button by now. Then you can change the background color. Okay, and then here you can change the background of the button. You can allow to hide the bar. This is the placement. Just make sure it sticks to top, because you don't want this notification bar to be on the bottom of your page. Well, depends on you. Here you have targeting option. You may want this notification bar to only appear on your sales page. Then you want to go to current URL and write down your sales page URL here, and yeah, say is, and write down your sales page URL. Or maybe you want this countdown timer to appear based on different targeting options. Just pick the one you like the most. I'm not gonna pick any targeting option. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I want it to be on my whole website. As soon as someone lands on my website, I want them to see this notification bar, so as everybody's aware of the new promotion that I'm running. And then you want to click on enable and press save. Well, and then you want to go to widget and show instruction, and copy and paste this code here, because your campaign is already running, but in order to preview it on your website, you need to copy and paste this code. So copy and paste it. Now you're going to go to your website, go to settings, advanced, code injection, and then header code injection. You're going to go down, copy and paste, save, and yep, now our promotion is up, running, New Year flash sales. Let's just say that you don't want this campaign to be active anymore. All you have to do is just press this button and it's up running and off running. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to support me. Bye.